Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com and welcome to this AffiliView review. For those of you who are looking to build affiliate review pages and bonus pages on the fly without having to do it manually using Thrive themes or a web design editor, you want to just create the review page, have the video on it, and have the bonuses all set up with your affiliate links. Similar to the bonus page I'm going to show you in just a second, this product is definitely for you. Today we're going to take a deep dive into AffiliView so you can see exactly what that looks like. We're going to take an over-the-shoulder look so you can see exactly what to expect. As well as that, I've also sourced some really great bonuses that are going to go hand in hand with AffiliView, so you're going to get the absolute most out of it. You're really going to hit the ground running. So before we get into all that though, hit the subscribe button, drop a like, it really helps me out. And if you want to be updated straight away with new platforms coming out, also turn on that little bell notification. Also, if you want to jump ahead at any point during this video and check out AffiliView on your own, make sure you click that link in the description first, because what that will do is first take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. Legal stuff at the top, my contact details if you have any questions. And the way my bonus page works, it is integrated with the official AffiliView vendor sales page. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons, what that will do is lock in all of these bonuses before then sending you off to the AffiliView sales page. And if you do decide to purchase it, you'll be sent all of these bonuses along with it. Everything will be sent to you in one big bundle that you can access immediately. So the first bonus I've gotten for you really quick is 7-figure mastery. So while AffiliView is a great tool for setting up review pages and bonus pages, you've got to treat, if you want to make money with that, you've got to treat it as a business. 7-figure mastery goes into everything that you need in order to create a business online. How to set up websites, web pages, blogs, how to do SEO, how to look for people on social media, question answer forms. It goes into Facebook ads, Google ads. It even goes into copywriting. It's a massive training product that, you know, it's helped a ton of people. It's helped myself, and you're going to get a lot out of it. It's really going to get into the ins and outs of how one does go about making money online. The second bonus I've gotten for you is called Video Marketing Profit Kit. So I threw this in there because you've probably noticed, if you've checked out my bonus page or anyone else's, that people tend to create videos. It's a popular way to get traffic to your offers, and you got to know how to create videos properly, what services to use, how to speak on camera, what your objective should be when you're talking. For example, not going so much into features and benefits, but trying to trigger emotions in people, which is what makes people buy essentially. So this is a great product that goes into video marketing, which I think is, you know, a really important skill. The third bonus I've gotten for you is called ClickBank Marketing Secrets. So ClickBank, probably one of the biggest affiliate networks in the world. A lot of people use it. A lot of people make thousands, millions of dollars on it every year. So I figured I'd throw this in there because if you're putting out products on AffiliView and you want to drive people to your products, it's a good idea to become a partner with an affiliate network like ClickBank. There's just so many products on there that a lot of people are looking for, and this goes into how to market those products properly. Not only that, the way you market products in ClickBank, you know, it's just an affiliate network. It's the same as JVZoo, it's the same as Warrior Plus, more or less. So there is a lot of crossover. There is a lot of information in here about ClickBank that you can apply to literally any other affiliate network. And if you are getting into affiliate marketing, I recommend going through a product like this so you know exactly what you're doing. Bonus number 4 I've gotten for you is a two-part bonus. Both of these kind of on the same page. We've got the Copywriter's Handbook and we've got Copywriting Influence. Both have got some great gold nuggets in them to do with copywriting. Why do you need to know copy? Well, you're going to be creating essentially sales pages. These review pages, these bonus pages, you're going to want copy on them. And copy is just one of these high value skills that is getting a lot of attention right now. Knowing how to do copy is going to serve you not only on your landing pages, not only in your, you know, you can speak in copy as well. Copy is essentially just sales language. It's going to help you in your social media, your emails, and just everything. And you really need to know it if you want to be making any kind of money online. Bonus number 5 I've gotten for you is lead generation on demand and email marketing success. And I threw these in there, even though there's some disconnect between these two products, because I know what's going to happen. You're going to create the pages, and you are going to come to a point where you want to go out and proactively get leads, and 2, you're going to start actually building an email list when people start buying from you. So knowing how to do these 2 skills, these are 2 milestones that everybody reaches. I've reached them myself. You need to know how to manage an email list effectively in order to make money from it. The money is in the list, and you need to know how to just not be so passive with getting your traffic and know how to go out, find it, get it, and actually, send those people proactively to your offers. So if that all sounds good to you, again, it's step 1. Click the link in the description. You'll go to my bonus page, click on these green buttons that will lock in all those bonuses I just talked about before then sending you off to the Affiliate View sales page, which looks like this. I would recommend going through this in your free time or in your own time, just because we'll be here all day, and checking out everything you need to know about it, the creators, and what it can do for you, so you can make a more informed decision. If you do decide to purchase, it is on Warrior Plus, so you'll be sent a receipt that looks like this. And as I said, under the green button will be Affiliate View, and under the blue button will be all those bonuses I just talked about. So super easy. I will say though that keep your eye on this countdown timer, because this is a launch week special. So if this countdown timer does say 0 when you visit this page, the bonuses will no longer be available. If there is some time on it, they will be available. So basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the lower price. So without further ado, let's jump into this really funky, over-the-shoulder demo of Affiliate View so you can see exactly what to expect.
Hello and welcome to this demo video for Affiliate View. Affiliate View is easy to install, just like any other WordPress plugin. Once inside the plugin dashboard, creating an affiliate bonus page is as easy as filling out the boxes. You can add any headlines, videos, graphics, and even built-in countdown timers. You also have full control over how the page looks, including background colors, fonts, and anything else you can dream up. You can integrate with any autoresponder and gather emails from your buyers on our custom-built bonus download pages. But if you want to get started right away with proven done-for-you campaigns, just head over to our members area. Inside you'll find done-for-you headlines, demo videos, emails, graphics, and a selection of over 80 bonuses that you can give away to your buyers of the top products of 2019. Affiliate View gives you the edge in your affiliate marketing and allows anyone to get started with high quality affiliate marketing campaigns. See you inside the members area.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed that demo. Now really quickly, again, if you go through to my bonus page, you can find out what to expect as far as pricing goes. Affiliate View front end, $22, basically everything you saw in the video there. You can join the Affiliate View Club, $27 a month, where they research the products that you should be advertising and giving you all the deliverables, images, and things like that that you can use on your pages. Affiliate View Traffic, $67. They add traffic to the mix, and this software allows users to automatically post to 24 traffic sources. So again, you're just getting more traffic to those offers. And then if you want to resell this product under your own banner and make full commissions, full profits, you can get the reseller, which is $197. Now, I will say before we close out that you do only need the front end $22 option to get access to all those bonuses I talked about from myself. So don't feel like you need all these upgrades to get the bonuses. You do only need that front end offer. So if you do have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, email me, or hit me up on social media. I do reply to absolutely everybody. If not, enjoy Affiliate View. Hope you love those bonuses, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.